When you create a TikTok account, your profile is automatically made public so that anyone can follow you and view your videos. But if you want to prevent strangers from seeing your content, TikTok lets you make your account private at any time. In just 5 quick steps, you can make your TikTok account private. Here's how. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Tap Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the ellipsis at the top right corner of your screen. Tap Privacy and Safety. Toggle the slider to the right of Private Account to make your TikTok account private. When the slider turns green, you've made your account private.